Welcome back. A lock.
No, they are locking. Okay, come on. We are coming up with a residential program, Kalari Training Camp here in Kerala, right? Stay tuned.
आप आने वाली सारी वीडियोस देखें उससे पता चलेगा. A lock is something very difficult and very rare in a fight. In self-defense or fighting, even professional fighters, if you watch fights, it is very rare that somebody applies a lock and the other guy is locked. It is something very advanced. It is something very rare. It is not easy, but you should know. And if it is from Kalari, you should know.
It is a sort of one and lock, Ottakai lock, Ottakai Paditam. Okay.
So with one hand you will.
Ultimately it will reach in the one hand. Okay. So that we can use the other hand.
So what is the final? What is the lock? मतलब क्या है? कैसे करते हैं?
It is normally somebody does it like this. Okay. It is one and lock. I can take him to anywhere we can like. Okay. If I want to take him down, I can take it like this. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
So what I am saying is,
Normally people don't believe it can be applied in this normal fighting scenes. But there are the techniques in between comes. You can actually apply it.
yes, that was the same doubt I had. मुझे भी लगा क्योंकि इसमें finally आप मेरे पीछे हैं और मैं आपके आगे हूँ. यहाँ से उधर पहुँचना आसान नहीं है. That is why I said it is not easy. It is not always possible. But since it is possible, you should know it. So how to reach उधर तक पहुँचेंगे कैसे?
Suppose if it is a situation like this, you're holding
Self-defense
some
or
like this.
being-
So we can do in this in between.
Okay.
Yeah.
So somewhat like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm convinced because after the punch there is a counter attack. If you notice, see, yes, it can be a punch, it can be an uppercut.
Yes.
Easily.
This is not only a punch. What I am going is with the Shimoga Prayagam I am doing.
Punch, and there's an attack over here with the
With
elbow.
the elbow.
Okay, this is enough distraction for me to forget where I am standing.
Even your the body will loosen up.
Yes.
With this two.
Yes. Now it will not be same as me standing like this. It will be somewhat like
Like this. Yeah.
So how to reach मतलब क्या है कैसे करते हैं?
It is actually right. The same thing we are doing. Like see, the moment you see.
So what I understand अभी तक मेरे को क्या समझ आया है कि यहाँ से पीछे जाने के बाद क्या करना है वो तो बाद में देखेंगे. पहले वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए आसान है. So maybe it's a counter attack. It's a counter attack somewhat
With,
like
with
that.
the movement. With the
Moment, okay.
With
Movement.
Yeah.
It is somewhat like this or whatever. Or maybe if it is a wrestling situation, maybe if it is wrestling or something, you go down and then you go up. तो मतलब आसान है. It can be executed through an arm drag. If it is wrestling we are talking about, if you are very close, it is more easy. But if it is striking, it becomes difficult. You have to apply something that will kind of force this person one and maybe something. See, चांस लेना पड़ता है. लक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होता है फाइटिंग में. Nothing works all the time. Even this is limited. Even Kalari Fight is not 100%. Okay, everything has limitations. Luck बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है.
Yeah, chance लेना पड़ता है. Any martial art, you need to look for the chance.
Go back. अभी पीछे जाने के बाद क्या करेंगे?
Yes, I did a uppercut here. I did a elbow strike here. At the same time, I am going here. My hand is already prepared here.
Okay.
My hand is. So with that, I am taking hit here.
Okay.
and taking this,
ओके,
right?
ये वाला.
Okay. Or I can take it down, like this.
ओके. सो द थिंग इज, आपका गर्दन और आपके दोनों हाथ, शोल्डर वगैरह उसके पीछे चले जाते हैं. सी दिस, यूजुअली इफ दिस इज अ नॉर्मल पोजीशन, इफ दिस इज हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड, सो ट्राई. This will never be allowed. I will never allow that, right? But we are talking about getting a punch to the face and an elbow to the ribs. After that, now it is a different game. And most of the self-defense videos, people will comment like, for example, if the self-defense technique is, you hold my hand, I will do this and I will do this. People will complain that, what if the other guy punches? What if the other guy kicks? No, there is no time for this. Both these people are in the middle of a fight. If I am talking about a technique that goes here and applies a kick or something like that, anything like that, I'm not saying they will stop and he will have time to punch or I will have time to think. It all happens fast. Both these people are moving.
It's all happen in milliseconds.
So of course, दूसरा बंदा आपको पंच कर सकता है, उसको ज़्यादा लक मिल सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि हम सब मूव कर रहे हैं. And you only have a 5% chance. The best solution to all this is never fight.
Yeah, that is.
Okay, anything, and you're successful in distracting the person. Hitting.
Okay.
यहाँ से आ जाओ.
See.
Okay, this one.
So, here.
Okay.
Your one strike is also happening here. Okay. One here, two here.
Yes.
Here also one strike is there. Taking is.
ये ऊपर. अगर आपका एक हाथ में नहीं आ रहा है, सर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if this hand is not enough and if somehow I am doing this, right, so you can use both hands, right? दोनों हाथ में
both hands. This always calculated your opponent's strength. Okay, he is same as my
body weight, mass.
Yeah. Okay.
अपने से आधे बंदों पे बहुत आसानी से होगा. तो अगर आपको फाइट करनी है तो उनको चुनो जो आपसे वैसे ही आधे हैं.
He is saying आधे बंदे. I will never go for lock for a person like you.
We're just doing this video for the sake of making a video on the topic lock. Otherwise, if two people like this are fighting, first priority is never wrestling, never lock, never something like comes in between. First priority is be safe, strike if possible, and if I'm fighting somebody like this, I want to run away. That is the main thing. Karate TV online class is available. The link is in description. Also subscribe to our new channel Karate TV wale bhaiya, and there is a 50% off on digital marketing course. If you are interested, you can go through our website, web portals, and through karatetv.in also you can go. So link for all these three things are in description. और ये वाला वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया, हम गरीबों को थोड़ा लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. इससे क्या होता है, पैसा मिलता है.